How to reset your First National Bank online banking password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to reset your First National Bank online banking password. So to do that, first just log into your or just head over to the login page of the First National Bank via online. You can just search in for First National Bank login and you will be redirected to this page where you can just tap on this login button at the top right corner and just head over to your online banking option over here at the website if you want to continue on website, and if you want to continue on app you can always go for the first option, that is login mobile banking application. And once you're inside here, just enter your username, that is your register username, and if you ever forget your password you can just tap on this link or option over here which says unlock or reset password button over here at the bottom of your screen. So you can just tap on that, and to reset your password or unlock your account, they will need to confirm your identity. So once you correctly answer the questions on the following pages, you will be prompted to create a new password. And if you need a further assistance, you may call at the mentioned phone number over here from the specified time as well as days. So just enter the following on-screen instruction and simply click on continue to follow the on-screen instruction once again, and it will or they will send you the reset link where you can easily create a new password. And you just have to re-enter your login credentials including your newly created password, and simply click on login to successfully log into your First National Bank online banking account. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.